Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's SLP update for Thursday's 19th of May. And here we are. We got the answer. Yesterday we talked about this one, and so far on the daily time frame, we do have a bearish engulfing candlestick, right? So all you did is you went down and potentially made a bear pennant on a 4-hour time frame right here, and now you made this bearish engulfing candlestick. So one thing right off the bat is that the only way to get bullish and continue to go to the upside is you want to actually go up and cross the 576. And once you actually cross the 576, then you are looking to continue to the 87 level. But that is not going to happen anytime soon based on the candlestick reading, because you have a bearish candlestick known as a bearish engulfing, and now you're looking to continue to the downside. The biggest issue is that today is Thursday. If today you're not even doing anything, if today you're not pumping, then tomorrow is Friday, and then weekend is right around the corner. So basically, weekends, I always say this back to back again and again, and I want you to understand this and put this into your beautiful brain, that weekends are the filthiest. Okay, they are the most. I mean, I cannot even say that word. I mean, it's a family show, but the thing is that weekends are, yeah, so you get my point. Okay, so weekends are really bad. They're like, yeah, you know what I'm about to say. But anyway, now this is the response we got from the symmetrical triangle. If I try to dive in into the 4-hour time frame right over there, so basically there is a little bit of a room to come back up and back test this level. So maybe this could act as a big resistance moving forward right over here, and if you try to cross it, then this is going to be your next resistance moving out right over here. So here's the scenario. Even if you're about to get bullish, the only thing you will do is go a little bit up to the 54, from the 52, hit your head and go to the downside. If you try to even cross the 52, then this trend line, this previous trend line, this one right over here, is going to act as a big resistance, and then you're going to hit your head again at the 57 and then move to the downside. But it's less likely to happen. I think the highest you will go is to this trend line, and then boom, continue to the downside. I told you previously, reversal wave is there to the downside. If I try to dive in into the weekly, this is what I actually meant. You see, first of all, if we go and talk about the weekly time frame, you do have the three black rows, right? And that's a continuation pattern. It's a bearish continuation pattern. And if I take this bottom right over here and the top right over there and take the fib retracement, you are creating the reversal to the downside to the 1.618. This target wasn't met, and you only came down to the 1.414, bounce off 1.414, went to the 1.272, and you're looking to continue to the 1.618. This is where you might take a break. If you lose this one, good luck to the 188. That's the two level of the fib retracement. If there was, like, I mean, capitulation do work. Even if you want to talk about huge crash to the downside, the market goes crashing to the downside, potentially you're looking for the next, and maybe you could just put a stop loss over here, and then that's it. If you start to lose that and close below it, then 188, 123, God knows where it's going to go and stop. So it is what it is. And join the Discord. The link is in the description of the video. This is the link right over here. Just tap this one and you're going to be into the Discord. And that's it for today's update. Sorry for speaking so much fast, because I'm just a little bit, busy. And yep, I'm in a hurry, guys. That's all. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.